Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce credit risk with Barclays, beginner guide step by step clearly. Reducing credit risk is essential for maintaining financial stability. First, understand the concept of credit risk. Credit risk refers to the possibility of losing money due to a borrower's failure to repay a loan or meet contractual obligations. Next, familiarize yourself with the services offered by Barclays. Barclays provides various tools and resources designed to help manage credit risk effectively. Start by creating an account with Barclays to access their financial management tools. Once your account is set up, explore the credit risk assessment services they offer. Regularly review your credit reports to stay informed about your credit status. Barclays can provide insights into your credit history and its impact on your risk profile. Employ Barclays credit risk modeling tools to estimate potential losses. These tools can help predict how different scenarios might affect your credit exposure. Make use of Barclays portfolio management solutions to diversify your investments. A diversified portfolio can help spread out risk and reduce the impact of any single default. Next, set up alerts and notifications for timely updates on your accounts. This will keep you informed of any changes that could affect your credit risk. Barclays also offers risk management consulting services. Consider engaging with their experts to tailor a risk management strategy specific to your needs. Stay updated on market trends and economic indicators that could influence credit risk. Barclays provides market analysis and research reports that can aid in this. Regularly analyze your financial position and adjust your strategy accordingly. Finally, continue to educate yourself about credit risk management. Barclays offers various resources, including webinars and articles that can enhance your understanding. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce credit risk using Barclays' valuable resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.